Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to be playing another part of Stoneback. And also, please subscribe and like to the channel because I didn't get really any likes, not a lot of views and subscribes. Yesterday, I'm really sad. So if you like and subscribe and put notifications on, I'll be very happy. This is also my second video. I'm just going to start. We're just going to start the game. And you might be wondering, Yusuf, what happened to your other account? Why aren't you using that one? Let me tell you the reason why. Because that was my mom's account, and I think it would be weird to be using my mom's account. So I had to use I accidentally used it. So now you can using my own account. And it would be weird to think that, hey, this sounds like a girl's name, Yasmin Nasruddin. And besides, why is there a boy talking? Isn't there supposed to be a girl? And then people won't really and I also think it's weird. Okay, so let's continue. Had to start the game again because it crashed. Oh, nuts. That's a T-Rex axe. I know it. Yep. I want to kill this dude for scales. No T-Rex scales. Oh, bear, please be a barbecue split. Oh, how much is that? 5. Let's go. Now I just need to get my wood. Okay. And if you guys like a lot, then I will actually show you a horror game. Just wanna... Wow. I got the same axe, but 67%. How are we doing in Corona? And besides, today I'm meeting my friends and we're having a sleepover. I'm really sad. Don't stop, creepiness. I'm really sad. Anyway, I'm really sad because the summer is ending. Jill, I don't need you. I already have trek skills. No, why did I hit him? Oh, this takes so much HP. Oh, still I got trek skills. T-Rex skills. T-Rex. Well, I have nothing left in my don't need bones. I don't need them at all. Get that out. Okay. Okay, let's check how much we have. 8. Yeah, we can. That's good. No, we just need 1. I'm just gonna keep this here. No, what happened to it? Great, and I lost my sticks. No. Wait, even with 2 you can craft it? That's nice. Oh my god, 13%. Don't need this anymore. Okay. What? Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, and now take this. Okay, we have our barbecue split. Let's take that. Just gonna hold it. Wait, what happened to my... What? I'm mad. Oh my god, but it's okay. Besides, it's 13%. Feels like 100, then I'd be sad. I'm gonna put my barbecue split somewhere where there's a nest and there's a workbench. No, I placed my barbecue split. Why? Why? I'm just gonna do this. Take this out of my inventory. Ah, I lost it. I'm sad. But I have 2 workbenches. Okay. Now we have this. What is it? Tumpack, I think. No. Okay, anyway, there's enemies. About to kill them. But first, just want to cook this. Cook. Dodge him. Ah! Cook. Take that. Bada bing, bada bong. Die. Ooh, that's a double kill. Let's keep on going. Wait, what just happened? What? Okay, let's continue. Sorry guys for that. Ooh, barrel. Please move out the way. No, sorry. Did not mean that. Ah. Yeah, that took damage. Okay, I'm hungry. Let me just eat. It's okay, I can craft a T-Rex. Another one. I have one. But how much percent is that? I'm still hungry. Oh, chest. Oh, could go. There. My guy, I need a ride. Nest. Knew it. I knew it. Die. Thank you for the ride. I'm about to kill your baby. What just happened? He's at 1 HP. Oh, so there's 2 chests. What did I do? You guys are friends. I'm hungry. I'll just drink my power juice I have here. That's good. Ah! Okay. Perfect time. I saw you were awake. I'm gonna make noise. Oh, and I didn't. Keep this out. Okay, I'm gonna hit them here. Just do this. Yeah, because I want to get rid of this. Because I want to get their eggs. Jump. I know he's gonna wake up. Very lucky. What? Ah. Okay, I should head home now. Admins don't sleep. Hope they'll stop chasing me. Uh, Alright, I'm back. No, more. No. Okay, that's it, I'm killing them. Edmund, I need a ride. Where is my barbecue place? There, it's there, I know it. But there's probably a dinosaur sleeping next to it. That always happens. Guess I was lucky this time. I'm probably gonna wake the dinosaur up. I don't know. Yeah, but it alerts them. But I want my food. Okay, now I'm gonna continue cooking. Hide. I heard one. Okay, I'm gonna now cook this. There. Oh, you woke up. Yeah, because it's morning. Okay. Think I should now go to my workbench and craft another T-Rex sword. Don't you think, guys? Bada bing, bada bow. And then, boom. There, let's go. What the? Okay, that's cool. I have nothing to cook. Dun. I took their eggs. Oh. No, I want, if I get eggs back, then I would be happy. Yeah, but they hit you. Nope. No, I died. Okay, this is gonna be the last round. I'm now gonna do something really cool. I will survive without a barbecue split, and I can only get one, not craft one. That's what I'm gonna do. A challenge. Because I always make one. In finding them is so rare, so I'm gonna do that. Ooh, I want your eggs. Yeah, I made a mistake. I failed that. Stupid champas. Ooh. Hit him and then go back. Yeah. Oh, you want to face me, don't you? Make them tender. Got two. Oh, really? You think you little dudes can do anything? Pathetic. Ooh, T-Rex. I can make. Once. Break these. Break these. That was my mistake. I died. Really, these dudes. One. Put these. Boing, boing. There we go. But I'm hungry. Barrel. Oh, eggs. And 5. Hey, my cute guy. I hate those double traps. Hit the second one, then you go back. Triple. Oh, you failed. Ya moron. Hey, you know I took my baby. No. Died 2 times. Okay, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe and join the squad and the army. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait, how long have I been recording for? 18 minutes. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.